Hi guys, it's Megan Maria. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple videos in one scene using Camtasia. So stay tuned and watch this video through the end. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so now we're here in Camtasia. I'm going to show you guys how you can create this multiple videos in one scene inside of Camtasia. Alright, so now we're here in Camtasia. As you see here on my screen, you see the import media, or click this plus sign. Okay, click this plus sign, then import the media, or you can just click this one and go to your files and import the videos or photos or images, whatever you want to create a multiple videos, photos, images in one scene. Okay, I'm gonna grab some videos that I have in here. Alright, so now I've got 6 videos, so it's up to you guys how many videos do you want. It all depends up to you. If you can make multiple videos as you want, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just grab at least 6 videos, you know, randomly into my video files. Okay, so first you're gonna choose which one do you want. I'm just gonna grab this one first, and then I'm going to put on my first draft. Okay, so now as you see, it's in here. This is my first video, so I'm gonna take the audio silence, so silence the audio, so you just focus on how I'm gonna do it. So here, as you see, if I play this one, it plays all in one scene. Okay, so now once you finish putting your video, what we're gonna do here is I'm going to animate this video. I want this video to make a little bit smaller and moving to the top left of your scene. So to do that, what we're gonna do is I'm going to go to animation and click the custom animation and put this, drag it into your video where you want it to animate. Okay, so after you drag this one, I'm going to resize the video. Okay, just resize the video the size that you want. And here, as you see at the top, there is a cropped. Click that crop, and I'm going to crop the video. Okay, just crop the video to wherever you want. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then I think I'm good with that, and I want this video to go, oh sorry, okay, before you move this video, you need to go back into this. Okay, go back to this, and then now you can move your video to wherever you want it to go. So I want this video to go over here, and then as you see, it's already cropped, it's already resized, and I already put the animation that my video goes there. So let's play with it. Okay, first it's going to play on the regular size of the video, and as I put the animation down here, it will change the size and the place where I want to go that video. So let's play this one. Alright, you see guys, so it moves too fast. So what you're gonna do is over here, okay, you see this one, make sure that you click this one and just move a little bit. It's all up to you guys, just play with it so it goes slowly into the place where I want that video to go through. Okay, let's play one more time and let's see how it moves. Alright, there you go. So now we're done with our first video, and we already put the animation where we want to go this video. Okay, so let's go to another video. Okay, to do that, go again to your media bin and then click another video. So let's say I want this video, so I'm gonna drag this video to my track 2, and I make sure that I put this video here, or maybe here. You can move over here so that while it's moving to the left top corner, another new video is coming up. Okay, so this is the second video that I want to so what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to go to the animation again, click the custom animation, and I'm going to drag it here. There you go. Okay, so next I'm going to resize this video to the size that I want. Okay, and then I'm going to click the crop so that I can crop this. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna just crop this one. I just don't want to see just me. Alright, so now once you've done with that, where do you want to go this video? Do you want to go with this video over? Oh, I always forgot. Okay, once you've done cropping, go back here and decide where you want to go this video. You want to go this video here or here or here, wherever you want. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put this video over here. There you go. And then I will adjust this one to just like that. Okay, so now let's play again and let's see how it works. Alright, so I'm gonna silent the audio. So as you see guys, it moves too smooth, right? So let's play again. This is my video and it goes on the right side of my scene. Alright, so now once you've done with this, and then I'm going to put another video again. So I'm going to go back to my media and choose this video. I'm gonna drag this video over here. There you go. So this is my third video. So I'm going to go to my animation. I'm going to click this custom animation and drag it here, over here, and then I'm going to resize this video. Okay, so I'm going to crop this one. Okay, crop the video. I want this video to go maybe here. Okay, I'm just gonna put this video over here. Okay, so you see the yellow line, that means that they're all lined up on the same. So make sure that you always check with that. So I want this video to go here, and I'm just gonna make this a little bit longer, just a little bit, so it moves so slow. Okay, so now let's see how it plays. There you go. The second video goes to the right, and my third video.
Hello guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video I want to share with you really awesome.
Okay, so I'm gonna silent the audio for this, and let's go back to your media, to my media, and I'm going to add this video and just drag it over here. Alright, so this is my fourth video that I want to animate, and I think I want to put this video over here. Okay, whatever you want guys, you can put over here, you can put over here. So I'm gonna put this one over here. Next I want to put this one. I'm gonna drag this video over here. Okay, so one more video, so I'm gonna drag this one over here. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to my animations and click the custom, drag it down here. Okay, so where do I want to put this one? Okay, let's go back here and let's resize the video. Okay, I'm gonna resize it because I want to put it here, because I think this is the only space that we have. So I'm going to put it here and resize a little bit. Okay, just like that. So if you want to crop it, it's okay. If you don't want to, that's fine too. So I want this video to go there, so I want to see how it move fast. Okay, let's try from here and from there. Alright, I'm gonna silent the audio. Yes, there you go. So here is my 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, do you see there is a space here? Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this is I'm going to click this one and I'm going to move this here a little bit. So let's go back. You can always fix this one guys, even though you've already put your animation or your custom animation into each of this. Alright, so now it all fits into one scene, and let's play it all together. Okay, this is my first video. This is my second videos goes to that side, and my third videos popping up and goes on that top again, and this one is on this side, and the other one is on that side, and the last one is on that side. So you can do this, guys, to your intro video if you want to show some of the topics that you want to talk about in your video. So you can just put some clips like what I did to that, so that they can see the topic that you're going to talk about to your video. Alright, so now once we finish, I'm going to put some background music before we played all these scenes. So go to your media, okay, and then click the plus sign and add some music for your video. So to do that, just follow what I did, and then go to your music files, and then let's add some music.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Alright, so that's how it looks like, guys. Once you finish all of your videos, you can create as many as you want, but it's getting smaller and smaller as long as you keep on putting other videos. So I just use 6 videos so that I can show you guys how you can create a multiple videos in one scene. So this is how we do it in using Camtasia. I think you can also do that to some other video editing tools, but in this tutorial I'm using Camtasia. So yes, you can do this into your videos if you want to. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope this helps. So if you have any question, just write down there in the comments. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell also, so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support and for watching my video. Please don't forget to share, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.